Welcome back to Code Cream. Today we're going to be exploring the LeetCode question number 1, TwoSum. This question asks, given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. And we can see what this question is asking us with the first example. We have this input nums equals 2, 7, 11, 15, and a target of 9. And the output we return is 0, 1, the indices of 2 and 7, and 2 and 7 add up to 9. The algorithm we're going to use works as follows. We create a hash map to store numbers and their indices. We iterate through the array of numbers. We calculate the difference between the target and the current number. We check if the difference exists in the hash map. If it does, we return the current index and the index of the difference from the hash map. If not, we add the current number and its index to the hash map. If no solution is found, we'll return an empty list. This will make a lot more sense once we go through an example, so let's do that now. We're given this array nums 2, 7, 11, 15, and this target 9. We start with an empty hash map. For 2, we calculate the difference. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 7 isn't in our hash map, so we don't return anything, and we add 2 to its index 0 to the hash map. For 7, we calculate the difference. 9 minus 7 equals 2. And 2 is in our hash map because we just added it, so we return 0, 1. The complexity analysis is as follows. It's O of n time complexity and O of n space complexity because we use n space with the hash map and n time complexity with the for loop. Now let's jump into the code. This problem works as follows. We start by initializing our hash map num to index, and then we begin our iteration through nums by saying for I in range length of nums. We calculate the difference. The difference is our target number minus nums at the current iteration. If difference is in num to index, then we've found a solution, so we can return num to index at the difference and I, our current index. Otherwise, we want to add it to the hash map, so we say num to index at nums at I equals I its index.